me está el cabo. Wanna pull out a little.
So when we go on the playground,
Yeah, break. Yeah,
get a juice.
I'm gonna fill up this hot juice. Up in here hot.
Ooh, child. Hey, you guys, what is up? What is up? Anyways, I'm starting off the vlog pretty late in the night now. I actually was evening, pretty late in the evening time. Now it's night. Just came out of the shower. As you guys can see earlier, like around 6 o'clock, we went walking. Gotta get my little steps in, child. I'm sweating like crazy because I just packed up the clothes for laundry tomorrow. The laundry service people are coming tomorrow, so yeah. I'm just making a bottle for Brianna, letting it cool down so she can drink this and go to her bed. Guys, so I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm also going walking tomorrow again, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. Where these bumps coming from? Anyway, so it's the next day. I'm still waiting on the washing service. I have to pack these out of rest of the clothes, like the bed sheets, what we slept on last night, and the pillowcases, and the towels. So yeah, I'm gonna put them in a bag real quick, and just put the bag out in the front. Yeah, but I'm thinking, it's like I turn my head away from the camera. I don't know, like I don't be focused like that. I should be focused on y'all, but I'm not. I just finished changing Brianna. I'm about to make me some coffee in the next 20 minutes or so. Yeah. Yeah, y'all, I'm sweating so much because I put on some sunscreen. So we're getting ready to go walking, at least me. Yeah. It's hot.
I just letting you know. We're gonna keep talking about this issue until we get the Bahamian people get the results that they need.
Y'all, they having something out here. My goodness. Y'all, it's hot today. Why? There are some children practicing, right? Why all the ball coaches always fat? Don't even make no sense. I on my 6th lap. I mean, Brianna's father had to go on home real quick because the washing service is coming. and he don't have no internet, so he had to ride back home. I could have quit and just gone, but no, I have to get my steps in. Like, I need to be more active. Ooh, child. Anyways, you guys, so I'm back. The sun beat me bad today, okay? It wasn't like yesterday. For some reason, we went yesterday after 6, and there was no sun. It was nice and cool. The sun was still up, but it wasn't like no sun. It was cool. But today, I had to walk in the sun. I don't care. I'll do it again and all. Like I said, I don't know who this girl is, because baby would never see me talk about walking in the sun. The only way you see me walking up and down in the sun is that's like a money call or something like that. But me, I will wait till the sun goes down to exercise, okay? Before, when I used to go walking, I used to go walking like around 6:30 or something like that, when the sun was almost down. I don't care. I just need to get my walk in. At-home workout is cool, but I still want to walk and then do some at-home workout as well. I'm going to do some at-home workout here right about now. I'm going to do some squats and some launches and stuff like that. So the clothes came. They came pretty late yesterday, so I'm just going to put these up. We didn't had a lot of laundry, so ooh, child. Anyways, guys, so Alicia, Kia, I'm getting ready to go ahead and go walking. Hopefully nobody's out there. It's been raining, like cloudy, so I'm going pretty early today. I'm watching Brianna, so hopefully too much people isn't out there yet. I'm getting like an early start. No matter where I go, it'd be like, damn, like all these people be exercising, everybody trying to get their health right at the same time. Like, shit. I thought I found a park, where nobody be, but it isn't really a park. It's just, you want to find it? In the car? So we're here. Nobody's out here except for one person. So I told Brianna she could do the first lap with me. First what? 3? First lap with me. Come, Bri, let's go. After the first lap, she's going back in the car, or I don't know. It's empty. Yay, that's the way I like it. Everybody's probably gonna come out like after 6 or something like that. Hello. And it's pretty like cloudy today. The sun isn't out too much. Jump up. Let's go. Ooh, child, just the way I like it. Nobody. I got the whole yard for myself. I think I'm gonna run today. I was a little shy yesterday because a lot of people was out here. I didn't want them to hear me breathe so hard. Y'all, I be looking a hot mess when I come out here. Anyways, this is my third lap. I be looking a hot mess. And somebody always have something to say to me. I be like, ugh. This man was walking by. He was like, don't lose too much now. Don't lose too much. Men be loving big women, I swear. Yesterday, when I was walking, this man stopped in his car and he asked for my number. I was like, no. Don't mind me, child. I love a little meat on me. I need to do so much meat. I can't do too much, okay? I like meat on my body. But once my belly starts getting out of control, I don't like that look. I don't mind a little tummy, but not too much. And ever since I had Brianna, my tummy has gotten bigger. And it looks like it don't want to go down. For my look in the mirror and I don't like what I see, I'll try to do something about it. I want to lose like 20 more pounds or 30. I don't know. That's the goal. Okay, you guys, we're on the fourth lap. I can see sunscreen all over my face. One thing, I will never come dressed to go walking like this. Have a little stomach cold with shorts by myself. Now with Brianna father, I come out looking like this. But by myself, no. I don't like too much attention drawn to me. Especially if I'm going to be having Brianna with me. If I do go walking by myself, I will try and make myself unattractive as possible. Looking homeless. Big baggy shirt, big baggy pants. And I don't want no one to approach me the wrong way with my child. And I have to run. Men be scary, I'm not gonna lie. They be scary, girl. I'm gonna see you guys when I reach back. Yo, Brianna told the stick way home from by the park.
What is that? I gotta you take it from me.
That's what it is. She wanna bring the stick inside. And she's an animal.
Look at more.
Hey y'all. Anyway, so I just came with the tub. Just relaxing. I'm pretty tired from that walk. Oh, breathe. Anyways, guys, so I just came on here. I just came on here and end the vlog. I'm gonna relax. Alright, bye bye. Bye bye. We'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.